Welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today, we are preparing Sarıyer Pastry, everyone's favorite. Minced meat, crispy and flaky. Moreover, with a few small tips, our börek will not only look elegant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss new flavors. Let's start our recipe. First, sift and add 5 cups of flour into the mixing bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt. While adding water, gradually incorporate it and start kneading the dough. In total, I added a little less than 2 cups of water. Adding water gradually is important, because the consistency of the dough directly affects the result. A medium soft dough will not tire you during the rolling stage and allows you to achieve more even layers. Knead the dough until it is medium soft and doesn't stick to your hands. Kneading in a machine is a bit more practical. If you're kneading by hand, kneading for about 5 minutes until it reaches an elastic consistency will be sufficient. Divide the kneaded dough into 4 equal pieces, separate them into balls, and roll them. Then, place them on the counter and cover them with a freezer bag. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. This short rest increases the dough's elasticity, making it smoother and easier to roll. While the dough is resting, add a 1/4 cup of liquid oil to the 100 grams of melted butter and mix. Roll out the rested dough pieces with a rolling pin to the size of a dessert plate without using flour. If you prefer, you can also press and roll them out with your hands without using a rolling pin. Take some of the oil mixture we prepared and put it on a flat plate. Place the rolled out dough pieces one by one on top, thoroughly oiling every side. Do not neglect to oil the edges of the dough. Then cover it with a bag and let it rest for at least 1 hour. This resting period increases the dough's elasticity and allows it to be easily rolled out without tearing. For the filling, soak 1 teacup of currants in hot water for about 5 minutes. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of liquid oil in a pan, add the finely chopped onions, and sauté for a few minutes. Add 400 grams of minced meat and sauté over high heat, stirring constantly until it changes color. When the minced meat has absorbed its own released liquid, add about 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, add the drained currants and mix, then remove our filling from the stove. Our internal filling is ready at this stage. Take a few spoons of our prepared butter and liquid oil mixture onto the counter. Grease the counter thoroughly. Add a full tablespoon of oil on top and first flatten it a bit by pressing with your hands. Then, try to stretch the dough as much as you can by pulling from the edges. The dough will be quite easy to roll out with these methods. Even if you've never rolled out dough before, you can easily roll it out too. The thinner you can roll out the dough, the better the börek will be. On the rolled out dough, add 1 to 2 spoons of oil and spread it all over. Fold the end of the dough, approximately 4 to 5 fingers wide, over the dough. To the folded part, add approximately 1/4 of the filling and spread it as shown in the video. First, loosely roll the dough until it reaches about halfway. Then, to gather its shape, roll it a little tighter to form a roll. Then, shape it as shown in the video and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I added 2 tablespoons of liquid oil to the remaining oil. Generously brush our borax with this oil. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until nicely browned. Our borax are beautifully browned after taking them out of the oven. If you let them rest for 3 to 4 minutes, they will be easier to slice and their layers will be more distinct. Then you can slice and serve. If you wish, you can also prepare it with cheese or potatoes. If you try my recipe, be sure to share the result with me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next recipe.